Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBS Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and for the next few trading sessions. In trade yesterday, Nifty managed to gain 0.72% for the day, primarily led by strong surge in IT, energy, and the auto space. Bank Nifty relatively underperformed, ending the day down 0.29%, continuing its underperformance ahead of the monetary policy announcement, which is scheduled tomorrow, that is on Thursday. Coming to the macro factors, the dollar index is consolidating around 104.2 levels, while the US 10-year bond yields too are holding well above 4% levels. Meanwhile, Brent crude remains steady between $75 to $80 a barrel and is positive from an Indian macroeconomic context. Coming to a quick check on the global markets, despite the strength seen in the dollar index and the bond yields, the S&P 500 has held on to its key support levels of 4,830, 4,850 and is inching ahead. Till the time the index sustains above its support level of 4,850, it can trend towards 5,180, followed by 5,300 in the short term. Going ahead for Nifty, the support is placed at 21,780, 21,800, while the immediate resistance on the upside is seen at 22,050, 22,090 levels. In case 21,780 is breached, the index could witness a further slide towards 21,700, 21,630 zone on the downside, where the 10-day EMA is currently placed. While above the levels of 22,100, the index could witness a further extension of the rally towards 22,230, 22,300 levels. Coming to the FII data, strong put writing is seen in 21,900 and 21,800 strikes, while the 22,000 as well as 22,100 calls have seen aggressive writing. The overall range for the coming few sessions could be 21,770 on the downside and 22,150 on the upside. Coming to the Bank Nifty levels, going forward, the 20-day EMA zone, that is the levels of 46,000, 46,100 is likely to act as a resistance, while the support is seen at the zone of 45,500, 45,400 mark. In case 45,400 breaks, the index can test its next swing support placed at 45,150, 45,100. Coming to the FII data for Bank Nifty, that Bank Nifty PCR is presently at 0.64. Significant open interest built up is witnessed in 45,800, 46,000 calls, and on the put side, it's mainly seen in 45,600, 45,500 puts, implying a range of 45,500 on the downside and 46,100 on the upside for the day. The key stocks whose earnings are to be released today are the likes of Apollo Tyres and Trent. Coming to the sectors which are in momentum, Nifty IT was the best performing sectorial index for the day yesterday, with the likes of HCL Tech, TCS, Wipro, Infosys, FSL, BSoft leading the broader market and witnessing strong open interest built up on the long side. The oil and gas constituents continue to outperform the market. There has been extremely strong rally which is being seen in the likes of Hind Petro, MGL, Oil, ONGC, BPCL, managing to test multi-year highs and continue to look strong on the charts. The auto pack to continue to witness strong traction, the likes of Maruti, Eicher Motors, Mahindra & Mahindra, Tata Motors, Hero MotoCorp, Ashok Leyland, leading to a strong traction in these counters. Pharma stocks such as Lupin, Sun Pharma, Biocon, Ipcalag and Dr. Reddy continued their stellar performance and have witnessed strong momentum. From the broader market, if we see, there has been good setup in the likes of Tata Consumer, Adani Ports, Torrent Power, Max Health, NMDC, Cummins India, Latent View, HFCL and NLC India. Coming to the FII data, in the cash segment, FII is bought to the tune of 92 crores, while DI is bought to the tune of 1096 crores. FII long short ratio for index futures is at 37 on a net basis, as they bought about 17,723 index futures. On the stock futures front, FIIs have sold to the tune of 18,829 contracts, while on the options front FIs bought 1,17,771 call contracts and bought 35,564 put option contracts. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast and wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.